Hello, everyone! Well, it's raining out, so I guess we can't do our investigation today. So I guess we'll go inside and watch some crappy movies. Fine entertainment tonight. Oh, Attack of the Crab Monsters. Oh, don't you go in there, girl. Oh, no, she didn't. They always know the monster's in the cave, and yet they always go in. I love it. I take it that must be the crab. Oops. Well, I guess he's hosed.
Molly, I finally found you! Wait a minute, where's the idiot with the long hair?
Oh, I'm that long-haired idiot.
What? WTF? What the hell is going on? What are you supposed to be? A cute little fox or something? Uh-oh, better lock up the chickens in the chicken coop. We've got a fox in the neighborhood.
Is the chicken boneless?
No, just regular chickens.
Ooh, gross. No interest.
So, what the f*** is up with the fox?
Well, things just kinda happened. Okay, enough with this jibber-jabber. It's time to get back to the movie.
Wait, don't you dare switch that channel. Molly.
How I got transformed in this present state happened on the last expedition to Arizona, where we're looking into Vooortexessss. But that story will have to wait for some other time. In the meantime, let's get back to the movie. Oh, crabs!